Hello, good day, wonderful people and my beautiful subscribers. I'm so excited today because I'll be sharing with you a very good and fantastic strategy whereby you'll be using to catch spike. And the last video I showed you how to catch spike on crash 1000. So this will be like a continuation. I'll be showing you how to catch spike on boom 1000 today. Let's get into it right away. Okay, the last time I showed us all the strategy, but for the sake of our new viewers, I'll show the strategy once again towards the end of this video. But from what I'm seeing now in the market, it's likely we catch spike. So this is 5 minutes time frame, and in my 1 minute time frame is still corresponding, showing us that we might catch spike soon. Let me check. The market is on downtrend though from the 15 minute candlestick. Same goes to 30 minutes. It's tending towards downtrend. But nevertheless, let me quickly enter the trade, then I'll explain as we move on. You change your lot size to the lowest. Don't be greedy, like I always say. One lot size, then buy. So like I always say, you follow the market trend. The market is on downtrend, but despite that, you might still have one or two spike along the way. Okay, so how do I go about it? You set your RSI to 10 and 90. Then you set envelope. Those are the indicators you are going to set. Then you set moving averages too. So what we are looking at is that the conditions for us to determine when to enter the market. When all the moving averages you set, that is 10 of them, and indicator windows 1 cut across the 10 RSI and touch the red envelope, that is when we'll be catching our spike. But before we catch the spike, you need to be sure of it, in the sense that this is on 1 minute time frame. You have to go back to 5 minutes time frame and observe the same thing. Let me go back to 5 minute time frame. As you can see, it's touching as well. All the moving averages are touching the red envelope as well. Then another thing, when I say follow the market trend, you have to observe at what point does the spike occur. Then you set your fractal. You observe the fractals. The fractals are also another indicator. You see these arrows pointing up and down. These arrows, those are points. If you are catching spike, those are the places you need to also observe. Like catching spike in boom, you need to be sure the arrows are on the lower side. Those places will be your target point. This area like this will be your target point. So how do you get to know those? You have to zoom, then you set a point to determine that. Okay, I already have one here. Okay, let me zoom. The arrow I was talking about, this point here, that is one of the fractal I set, hoping that the market will spike up. I haven't confirmed it somewhere here. This is 5 minute time frame. I haven't confirmed somewhere here that there will be spike. And also I check my 1 minute time frame. As you can see, it has cut across. So those are the conditions you need to watch out for before you enter into the trade. You can zoom back to the first zoom level to see the overview of everything, to see the market movement. Okay, it just spiked. Now let me see. It has not even gotten to where I marked though, but like from what I said, all my 10 moving averages have crossed the 10 RSI and touched the red envelope at the downside, and now we have the spike. This is the spike. Let me check. Okay, we got $8, and that is how you go about it. That is how you catch spike with these indicators. I wanted to show you the setting. Here is it. I have my relative strength index. I have 10 moving averages. I have envelope. That is it. You can screenshot this. And let me assume I'm starting afresh. Then I'll do all the settings again one by one. Play it up. For a novice or for a beginner who doesn't really know how to go about the strategies, how to set the candlesticks and how to set up the strategy. Click on this F sign here, brings you to this page. Firstly, set your moving averages. Okay, this is the last one I did, but let me start from 1. Put this on 1. Moving average and period 160, method exponential, apply to rotated close, then change this to blue. So you do 5 of these. Let me pause the video and show you how I make do the 5. Okay, I'm doing the 5th one now. This is the 5th one. You click on done, then you click on this F again, this particular F, another moving average. Then this time around you change this to 6, and change this color to red, and you click on done. Moving average, change this to 7 and done. Okay, and I'm doing the last one now, which is the last moving average. You click on this F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9th one. So I'm doing the 10th one. Click on this level indicator windows 1, then click on moving average and change this 9 to 10 and click on done. So now I have my 10 moving average under indicator windows 1. I have my relative strength index. Now the next one to do is envelope. On this F, under indicator windows 1, click on this and click on envelope. You look at the settings. This is the setting you have. You may not have this if you are doing this for the first time, but screenshot this and follow this setting and click on done. Click on done here. Once you have your settings as this, click on this done. Just done. Then you have something like this. Now have this blue line up here and the red line under. You have this blue line here and you have this red line here. Those are the envelope. Okay, before I forget, let me show you the last strategy, which is the RSI, relative strength index. You can just screenshot it and then do the setting on your phone too. This is it. This is the relative strength index. Just screenshot this, the setting on your phone, and that's it. Alright, I really appreciate you all for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to like and share, and if you are a new viewer and you found this video useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be among the first set of lucky people to get updates the moment I drop another awesome video. If you really want to grow your account fast in a simple way, then I will urge you to watch any of the video on your screen now to see the step-by-step guide on how to double your account, or should I say how to multiple your profit fast. Alright, till you hear from me in another fantastic video. Thank you and stay blessed.